Hey, what's up? Welcome back to Triple Play Saturday Round 3. Are you ready? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and welcome to another Triple Play Saturday. This concludes Triple Play Saturday. This is round 3. All right, you all, let's get this started. This one here is by DW. It's called DW19. It's a very nice looking watch face. I'm thinking this is definitely an awesome look. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get a similar look. You're going to get everything that's most important, battery info, your digital time, your step status. And when the watch face is on, you're pretty much going to get a lot of the same info, digital time at the top, your day and your date. You're going to get the bezel that's rotating at the top. I thought that was truly a nice look. You're also going to get info on your goal completed to the left. To the right, you're going to get your battery percentage. You come down, you're going to be able to get all your step information that you can ever need. Dead center is your heart rate, and it is inactive. So if you tap on it, you can go in and get your step status, heart rate info. You can go into your settings. So if you need to check your battery, connect the Bluetooth earbud, you can. You need to make a phone call. You're just one single tap away. Get the moon phase right there at the top. I thought this was a really good look, and I thought it was worthy of putting on Triple Play Saturday. All right, you all, I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all are having the joyous weekend ever. Have fun, eat well, and be safe. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.